Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the square root of a given number using Vedic Maths method. And this method is applicable only for a perfect square root. So let's start solving. So before we start, we'll always have to group the number into two from right side. So if I group, it will be 96 and the other number will be 40. I have to find numbers which, when squared, have their end digit as 6. So that will be 4 4s are 16, 6 6 are 36. So these are the two numbers which will have 6 in the end when they are squared. And we have to find 40. For 40 we have to find the number when square is 40 or less than 40. So it will be 6 6 are 36. So we have to do a default step here, that is you have to add 1 to this 6. Now 6 you have to multiply 6 with a number, that is 6 plus 1 is 7, and see what your answer is. 6 7s are is 42. Now for this 42 just add 2 zeros. Now this becomes the multiplier. So I'm going to just term it as multiplier. And this is the given number. Okay, so I have to just check 4200 is lesser than, equal to, or smaller than 4096. Now I can see that 4200 is larger than that of 4096. Now we have two conditions. When the multiplier is greater than the given number, then you will have to take the smaller number. The second rule is when the multiplier is less than or equal to the given number, then I have to take the bigger number. So that is ideally we have to decide on these two. The first number is 6, that is known. So 6 is my first number. To decide on the second number, either 4 or 6, we'll have to go with this condition. So here it says 4200, which is the multiplier, it is larger than 4096. So I'll have to go with the smaller number. So if I go with 4, this will be my answer. So 64 when squared, we are going to get 4096. Let's try with another example. Now the question is square root of 1521, and I have already grouped the numbers from right side, that is 21 and 15. So now I have to find two numbers which are going to end with 1. So that will obviously be 1 square, 9 square. So these are the two possibilities. And for the first number, I have to find one number when squared is near to 15 or 15. So I can take 3 3s are 9, because if I take 4 4s are, it will be 16. So I'll take the number as 3. So now I have to do the default step, which is plus 1. 3 plus 1 will be 4. So I'm going to take 3 as it is, and I'm going to multiply this with 4. So my answer will be 4 3s are is 12, add 2 zeros. Now compare the multiplier with the given number, that is 1200 is lesser than or equal to or greater than 1521. It is clear that 1200 is smaller than 1521. So when it is smaller, you will have to take smaller, or equal to, you will have to take the bigger number. So my first number is 3 and the bigger number in 1 and 9 is 9. So 39 when squared, we are going to get 1521. Now let's try a larger number, 59,049. So to find the square root of this, you should be able to recognize the 3-digit number here. Even if we group from the right side, 2-digit, 2-digit, and 1 is remaining. Now 49, if I see, it will be 3 3s are 9 and 7 7s are 49. So I'll have 9 in the end. So these are the two possibilities for the second number. For the first number, I will have to take 590. Why? Because I cannot take 5 individually. Then my answer will be wrong. So I should know at least till 30 to solve a 5-digit square root number. So here 590, if I do it with 20s, so 20 square will be 400. So 400 plus 40 will give me around 440. Again, plus 40 is about 480. So if I do again plus, I may get around this number, but I will have to get near to this. So if I do plus 80, it will be around 24. So if I do 24 into 24, 2 2s is 4, 2 4s is 8, 8, 16 and 16. So I'll get my answer around 576. So I can take this number. So here for the whole number, I'm going to take 24. So this was multiplication. So it's very simple to identify. Like after 20 square, you will have to add 41 plus 43 plus 45. When it comes to 30, you will have to add plus 61 plus 63, like that. Only even numbers, if you add, you will be able to make out what is the nearest number that you can take to square. Now 24, the default step is plus 1, which is 25. So you will do 24 into 25. So here, if I do 24 into 25, 2 2s is 4, 2 5s is 10, 4 2s is 8, that is 18, 5 4s is 20. So my answer will be 0, 10, 6. So my answer will be 600. So this 600, I'll take 600 plus 2 zeros, and I have to check if it is lesser than, greater than or equal to the given number 59,049. It is obviously greater than. So when it is greater, you will have to take the smaller number, that is 3. So my first number is 24 and this number is 3. So this will be my final answer. So if I multiply 243 into 243, I'm going to get 59,049. I hope this video was helpful. For more such videos, please subscribe to my channel and support me. So see you all in my next video. Until then, take care and thank you for watching.